Hello everyone, I'm Peng Jing from Xinhua News Agency, and this is Hamis.
Hi, I'm Hamis from Jordan and studying at Nanshan University.
I heard that you love playing football, right?
Yeah.
So you must watch the World Cup last December.
Yes, talking about it still make me excited.
Actually, during the World Cup, a Chinese bus manufacturer exported 155 buses to Qatar.
I know about it. In these years, more and more Chinese buses can be seen in Arab countries, including Qatar and Jordan.
Yeah, we are right now at GLOBALink, a bus manufacturer in Nanchang, the capital of East China's Jiangxi province. So let's go and see how these buses are made.
Let's go. 这个车到哪里去？
这个车是我们中东约旦客户订的，
哦，这是我老乡。
哈哈，是这么巧的。
这个为了什么呢？这可以充电吗？
啊，对，这个就是我们升级的一个设置 ，USB 的一个接口。
哎，这个跟我刚刚看到了，为什么不一样？
因为这个椅子呢是根据客户不同的需求来定制的，那些椅子呢是根据约旦的客户的需求来定制的，这些呢是根据澳洲的客户来定制的。我们除了椅子以外，车辆所有的配件都可以参与定制。
Hey, you're so conscientious. What are you looking at?
Oh, I'm looking at the cage frames. You can see here.
Yeah, it looks like a cage.
Yeah.
Now, why it is?
It's built actually for like the safety of the passengers. So for example, if there is an accident coming from this side or that side, these cages built by one piece can help us to prevent from like having hurt.
Hi, Hamis. After visit the factory, what's your feeling today?
In fact, I might have taken the bus of this company in Jordan. But after today's visit, I have learned that they are also making electric buses. I think this is not only because China's development of an environment-friendly economy, but also a bigger market.
开年以来，我们一共接到了近300台的海外订单，跟去年同期相比呢，有100%的增加。也就是今年1月到目前，我们累计出口额可以超过1.85亿元，超过了去年前年的出口额。
For a long time in history, the Silk Road connecting Arab countries and China acted as an important bond between civilizations. And nowadays, as cultural exchanges intensify, more and more Arab youths, like me, are opening up new opportunities by learning Chinese.
Thanks to the Belt and Road Initiative, more and more companies like these bus makers expand presence in Middle East market, and the economy and trade exchanges between China and the Arab countries are becoming more and more frequent.